A very good morning to my dear students. This is Kajal, your teacher of English. Today we are going to learn a very important topic of grammar that is in your syllabus. Students, this topic is the base of other grammar topics. So do listen this video carefully and also make notes of each and everything that I am going to teach you in this video. And this video will be bilingual, that is, I will speak in English as well as in Hindi to make you understand better. So students, what does tense means? What does tense mean in Hindi? टेंस को हम हिंदी में क्या कहते हैं? टेंस मीन्स काल या समय. हिंदी में हम टेंस को काल या समय कहते हैं. व्हाट इज़ द डेफिनेशन? इट शोज द टाइम ऑफ एन एक्शन. Tense shows us in which time the action is done. There are main three types of tenses. First is present tense, past tense and future tense. In Hindi, we say वर्तमान काल. Present tense means वर्तमान काल जो चल रहा है, that is present tense. Past tense जो बीत गया, that is भूतकाल जो बीत गया, we call it past tense. फ्यूचर टेंस भविष्य काल जो समय आएगा हम उसको क्या कहते हैं? फ्यूचर टेंस. सो इन मेन देर आर थ्री टाइप्स ऑफ टेंसेस: प्रेजेंट टेंस, पास्ट टेंस एंड फ्यूचर टेंस. बट फर्दर देर आर 4 सब डिविजन्स ऑफ दीज टेंसेस. इन्हीं 3 टेंसेस को, प्रेजेंट, पास्ट और फ्यूचर, इन्हीं 3 टेंसेस को आगे 4 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड किया गया है. फर्स्ट इज इंडेफिनिट, continuous, perfect and perfect continuous. This will go like this: present indefinite, present continuous, present perfect and present perfect continuous. So we have 4 rules of present and then this will go like this: past indefinite, past continuous, past perfect and past perfect continuous. So in the same way we will learn the 4 rules of future tense. So in total we have 4 rules of present, 4 rules of past and 4 rules of future. So we have 12 rules in total. We have to learn the 12 rules of tenses. That's all. So today we are going to start our first rule, that is present indefinite. We also call it simple present tense. Present indefinite tense is also called simple present tense. So what is the rule of this? The rule is subject plus first form of verb plus s or es plus object. Students, we apply first form of verb and we apply s or es with first form of verb in the present indefinite tense. Sometimes we apply v1, sometimes we apply only v1 and sometimes we apply s and es with v1. So we have to learn it when do we apply v1 and when do we apply s and es with v1. Students, you have to keep in your mind whenever the subject is I, we, you, they and plural. What does plural mean? Plural subject क्या होता है? जब भी एक या एक से ज़्यादा पर्सन की बात होगी तो हम उसको प्लूरल सब्जेक्ट कहते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल पेन. पेन एक है तो मैं इसको सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट कहूँगी. अगर पेन ज़्यादा है तो वो क्या हो गया? प्लूरल. सो प्लूरल मीन्स एक या एक से ज़्यादा चीज़ों को हम क्या कहते हैं? प्लूरल. अगर सब्जेक्ट हमारा आई, वी, यू, दे या प्लूरल होगा देन वी शैल अप्लाई v1 विद इट. इफ़ द सब्जेक्ट इज सिंगुलर मीन्स इफ़ द सब्जेक्ट इज ही, शी, इट, then we shall apply s or es with it. I hope this is clear to everyone. So let's take an example to learn it better. Students, you have to keep in mind if the subject is I. If the subject is I, we will apply only v1 with it. I के साथ हम हमेशा क्या लगाएंगे? v1. So whenever the subject is I, we, you, they or plural, we shall apply v1 with it. So here is the example. I dash to school. The verb in the bracket is go. So what will be the answer here? I dash to school. The answer will be I go to school. Next is he dash to school. So which verb do we apply with he? Whenever the subject is, you have to keep in your mind. स्टूडेंट्स, आपको ये याद करना है कि अगर हमारे पास सब्जेक्ट होगा ही, शी, इट या फिर सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट होगा, whenever we have singular subject means one thing. If the subject is a singular, then we shall apply s and es with the verb. अब हमारे पास यहाँ पे सेंटेंस में सब्जेक्ट कौन सा है, ही. तो हम अब इसके साथ वर्ब के साथ वही V1 के साथ क्या लगा देंगे, एस या ई एस. तो गो हमारे साथ हमारे पास क्या बन जाएगा, गोस. क्यों गोस क्यों आया, क्योंकि यहाँ पे हमारा जो सब्जेक्ट ही है वो क्या है, हमारा सिंगुलर. और रूल है कि जब भी हमारे पास सब्जेक्ट ही, शी, इट या सिंगुलर होगा तब हम क्या लगाएंगे, एस या ई एस. तो आंसर हमारा क्या आएगा, ही गोस टू स्कूल. Next is we dash India. In bracket we have love. So what will be the answer? We dash in India. What is the rule? Whenever we have we use V1 with it. So what will be the answer here? We love India. So next sentence we have is she dash India. In bracket we have love. So she is a singular subject and we shall apply s and es with it. So what will be the answer here? She loves India. So students, the rule of present indefinite tense is V1 plus S or ES. Sometimes we apply V1. You have to keep in your mind, you have to learn it. Whenever the subject is I, we, you, they or plural, then we apply V1. And when the subject is he, she, it or singular, then we apply s and es with the verb. You have seen in the example how do we apply V1 and s or es. With I, we used V1. With he, we used s or es. Then the subject was we. And in rule we have that whenever we have we or I or you, we use only V1. So with we, I use only V1. And she, we use s or es. She loves India. I hope this is clear to everyone. So students, this is the rule, V1 plus s or es.